Why, hello there. This is your astrological forecast starting today, February 6th, and going through Saturday, February 12th. My name is Kat. You are watching the Soul Sister channel. We are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness and negativity flowing out of our bodies. We can visualize it as black or gray. It's just flowing away. In its place, we see our bodies being filled with this beautiful white light. This white light contains love, power, and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. So we see ourselves in this protective bubble of white light. Now, while we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Aquarius affirmation. My work reflects my true, authentic self and contributes to the good of the whole. We'll say the affirmation together and then we'll stay in this space connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. My work reflects my true, authentic self and contributes to the good of the whole. Good work. And this week is a continuation of that energy of the Sun in Aquarius. Last week, we were feeling the effects of all the work we've been doing, all the progress we have been making, manifesting changes in our lives, manifesting changes in our work so our work better reflects who we are. And guess what, folks? It actually continues this week, just like last week, where I think yesterday we took the day off and we just enjoyed time with our partner, our friends and family. Today is the same. This Sunday today, this February 6th, it's kind of a poopy energy out there. If it's, I'm visualizing it if we're in the northern hemisphere where it's a gloomy, dark, cold, wintry day. And so it's a great day on this Sunday just to snuggle up and binge watch something or cook some good comfort food, because it's not productive. We're going to leave our little project or our changes on the shelf. It's been up there since February, since Friday. So we're going to take today off too, and then tomorrow, boom, back to work. So no worries. Enjoy our time out. Enjoy taking care of our responsibilities, our routine daily duties. Get that all cleaned up, and then just cuddle up and get all snuggly and read a good book, listen to some good movies, or listen to some good music, or like I said, do some binge watching. You know, I probably shouldn't say this, but the Great British Bake Off show, you need to check that out. That's a great binge-worthy show. It's on Netflix, by the way. That's something good for the end of the week. And today. That's something good to do for today. So, starting Monday, February 7th, these moon aspects just make us feel ready, determined, confident. This is the time, folks, to go for it. This is the time to put our money where our mouth is and make it happen. Those changes that we've been working on, we're going to take them even further. And now, this week, the little difference between last week and this week is our ideas, our work, our changes are going to be challenged this week. But here's the thing. We are so confident, and we are even fighting ready to stick up for what we want to do, to stand our ground. So as long as we don't give up our power, we're going to be fine this week. And the energy is there to support our work and our progress. There may be, now with this challenging energy, we've got the drive, we've got the passion, but we still are going to get caught up in maybe some self-doubt, especially on Monday. So watch out for that, and don't let any self-doubt take us down the rabbit hole of unworthiness or this is never going to work out. We know what we want. We know what will make us happy, and now we're going for it, and we're going to keep going. We're keeping going. We're not slowing down. We're not letting anyone get in our way. Tuesday, it continues. So Monday and Tuesday, it's kind of like the same energy where we're getting little, there might be a little pettiness, people giving us some shit or something like that about what we're doing, but we don't care because we know what we need to do to be happy and fulfilled. And those little pests, those little distractions are only there to make sure that we are all in what we're doing. That's all. That's all. So we're on track. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, the moon goes into Gemini. Oh, goodness. Now, all the details, things start to fall into place. Information comes forward, and we're able to use the data, use the information. We're talking to people. We're setting things up. Communication is flowing, and we're really getting into it. We're getting into the fine details. We might be reviewing some things that maybe need to be tweaking. We have new information. Oh, we might want to make a little adjustment there and this here and there. And then on Friday, again, we have the energy there is that it's kind of like a little check. We have some obstacles, some challenges, some people, places, things that are not in line with what we're doing, and they're going to be jabbing at us. And this whole week, I think the message for the whole week is stand our ground. We are not going to compromise ourselves. We aren't going to give our power away. We are going to be compassionate and sensitive. But like last week, we'll have our boundaries. We can be compassionate. We can be sensitive, but we're not giving it up. We're not giving up our power, our values. We're not compromising our character. not this week. We know where we're going and we're getting there one way or another. So, great week ahead. Remember, the little challenges are just like little tests to make sure that we're all in and we're focused and driven. That's all. And there might be some little tweaks, some adjustments in there, but we are moving forward. And as long as we stand our ground, as long as we hold our power, we're going to continue to move forward. We're going to continue to be able to make progress. And then Saturday, the moon moves into Cancer. Yet again, it's a perfect date night. It's that Cancer energy of we are sensitive to others' needs. We want to be helpful. We want to be nurturing. A great night. I can visualize with our partner cooking a meal together, especially in the gloomy winter weather, if that is the same on Saturday. Good time to cuddle up together. But it's that Cancer energy, so we're going to want to stay home close and snuggled up with either our honey bun or our friends and family, or just maybe us and our cats. That works too. Oh, wow. Yeah, no major energy shifts. The moon is moving, like she always does every couple of days into a new sign, kind of adjusting the energy a little bit. But other than that, we are continuing on the energy from last week of making progress in our changes and our work that we're doing, and we're not going to let anyone take it away. No one. All right. Lion spirit, be generous of spirit. Grasshopper spirit, take a leap of faith. That's what we're doing, isn't it? Crow spirit, co-create with spirit. Great advice from the universe this week. As we move through, as we progress on our work, remember to be generous. Don't get into our egos where it's all about me and it's my way or no way, my way or the highway. This is my story. We don't have to come at it from that angle, from that attitude, because we know that the work that we're doing, that we're working on, that we're manifesting isn't just going to benefit us, but it's going to benefit everyone around us. Whether that's our partner, our family, like I said last week, our culture, our society. We want to be generous of spirit. What we are doing, our work that we are manifesting, we want it to be able to positively affect the other. Take a leap of faith. Well, buddy, we are doing just that, aren't we? A lot of us are making changes and going down roads untraveled, uncharted territory. We're excited, and we've got spirit, higher self, soul, whatever you want to call it. We're in relationship. We are doing our daily meditations. We're centering. We're relating with our higher self at least 5 minutes. If you need help with that, go out to the Soul Sister channel playlist on the meditations, and there is one out there for the Sun in Aquarius affirmation. Meditation is very, very important for us to be successful in this incoming Aquarian age. So make sure that we're doing that and have faith in that part of ourselves that is greater than what we can experience in this physical body. It will take us forward, and that segues into co-create with spirit, and it's through our relationship with spirit that we can come to really know and love our true authentic self, and the work that will make us the most fulfilled, the happiest. And that is how we will come to that, is through our relationship with our higher self. So keep it going. Keep it going. Be ready for any little obstacles in our way. Don't let them take us off our track, off our path. And we are going to keep, and then with that moon and Gemini energy at the end of the week, we got the details, we got the information, we got data coming in, we're exchanging information, we're setting things up. We are making physical progress. Things are starting to happen for us. So keep up the good work, and then at the end of the week on Saturday, enjoy our time out with that beautiful Cancerian energy of staying close to home, snuggled up and cozy with our lover, our partner, our friends, our family. Enjoy the Saturday. Enjoy that date night. You know how I love the old date night. I like it when astrology aligns with date night. It'll be a great one on Saturday. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Man, I have a hard time saying that. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages, and I have some pretty interesting memes that I like to share. Also, if you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share to help me grow my channel. Also, comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if you want to see anything. I look at all my comments and I learn and grow from them. Remember, everyone, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel is life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week ahead. Go get 'em. Namaste.